Cincinnati, and I have just graduated from the May class at the Thai Yoga Center for the SomaVeda Thai Yoga Practitioner. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, and I came here to sort of solidify my practice grounded in physical work. I have a background in energetic healing, Reiki, all of the things, crystals. And so I really wanted to put something into my practice that would be body work, tactile, but also would complement the spiritual elements of the things that I do. And it was a really lovely experience because I am quite a nervous person. And, being able to go from not being sure that I would be able to remember all of this in the beginning and put it all together until the end of the 2 weeks, where I in fact did do a full 50 minutes thing, and I didn't forget very much at all, actually. So, it was a really lovely experience. In addition to really solidifying the practice of EFT and tapping, which I think is a really great skill set to add for therapy of all kinds. I hope that helps some people.